May Allah bless and keep you safe, keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe, keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe. Bless and keep you safe. Bless and keep you safe.
Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. First aid can help save lives. You don't need to be a doctor to help someone in an emergency situation. Having first aid skills can be very beneficial for everyone. Madani Channel team, with the help of short clips, brings to you basic first aid skills that will equip you to help anyone in an emergency situation. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. In this clip, we will help you deal with nosebleed. This is a fairly common situation, and sometimes people, when they look at the blood, they panic. So the first thing that you need to do is keep yourself calm and try to reassure the casualty. Before we proceed to the casualty, all the time, every time, you need to bear in mind, first of all, is there any danger in current situation to myself and to the casualty or the patient? Once you assess that there is no danger, there could be a number of different dangers, for example, electric wires, chemicals, or other risks that can actually harm yourself. You don't want to put yourself in danger. So we assess that there is no danger. We will now next speak to the casualty to get a response, and we will usually call them by their name. Let us now go to our casualty. Shams bhai, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
MashaAllah. So here our casualty is speaking, which tells me that their airway is open and they are breathing. Now after that, we need to actually now look at the bleeding, deal with the nosebleed. So what we need to do first of all is ask the casualty to lean forward. Shams bhai, could you lean forward? This will help blood to come out of the nose and not go into the throat, which could help with the breathing. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to pinch the nose where the soft part joins with the bony part. So Shams bhai, and always ask the casualty to do this for you. If you could pinch the soft part where it joins with the bone. And this you need to do for 10 minutes. Set the timer on your mobile phone or look at the clock, and do not allow the casualty to take the pinch off before 10 minutes. Shams bhai, what you need to do is keep breathing through your mouth. Obviously, when the nose is pinched, they will not be able to breathe through their nose, so you need to ask them to breathe through their mouth and keep reassuring them. You will inshallah be okay. You just need to keep it pinched. If you get tired, let me know. And you need to stay with the casualty. Now let us help understand why the nosebleeds happen with the help of an image.
May Allah bless and keep you safe, keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe.
Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala sallam. It has been 10 minutes now. Thank you very much, Shams bhai, for holding on. Now he's let go of his nose, and I cannot see any further bleeding. And that is all that you may need to do. And this will stop the nosebleed. However, the story does not end here. Obviously, now we need to actually advise our casualty that they need to seek appropriate medical help. That this may be a first time that they have a nosebleed. There must be a reason behind this. And for this reason, they need to seek appropriate medical help. Thank you very much, Shams bhai. My dear brothers and viewers of Madani Channel, did you see how easy it is to deal with a nosebleed? Just in case that if the bleed does not stop, you again ask the casualty to pinch the nose for another 10 minutes. and that may be all that you need to do.
May Allah bless and keep you safe. Keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe. Keep you safe. May Allah bless and keep you safe. Bless and keep you safe.